Today I'm going to show you how to use the split screen feature on your MacBook. It's very simple and only takes a few steps. The fastest way is using the Option key together with your mouse or trackpad. First, click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar of the app, then press and hold the Option key. Now, drag the app to the left or to the right. A white border will appear on the screen. Release the mouse and the app will fill that area. Do the same with the second app so you have two apps split evenly on the left and right. If you slowly drag an app to the top, it will go full screen. The advantage of this method is that it's fast, but the downside is that it's not very customizable. If you want to split your screen into 3 or 4 sections, move your cursor to the green full screen button in the top left corner of the window. Hold your mouse there for about 1 second. A small menu will appear with 2 types of options: Move and Fill. The Move option simply lets you adjust the window of the current app. The Fill option lets you adjust the current app and automatically rearranges other windows in the same desktop. The default split screen function on macOS is limited like that. If you want more customization, you'll need third-party apps such as Magnet, Better Snap Tool, or Rectangle. Rectangle is the free one. In the next video, I'll show you how to install and use that app. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to see more tips on the Easy Tech Steps channel.